Welcome to the story of Starbucks in Cotabato Province, a journey of innovation, community engagement, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in STEAM education. The deployment of Starbucks, the Philippines' first digital science library developed by TUST Science and Technology Information Institute, has been a meticulous and community-centered process. Each installation is a step towards bridging the digital divide, bringing invaluable knowledge and resources to students and educators across Cotabato Province. Engagement with stakeholders is at the heart of Starbucks' success. Through the years, the TUST Cotabato Provincial Office has partnered with DepEd SDO Cotabato and DepEd SDO Kidapawan to further strengthen the reach of Starbucks deployment. By collaborating with local government units, educators, and community leaders, we ensure that the program meets the unique needs of each community. Training sessions empower teachers, while students gain access to a world of information at their fingertips.
Isang mapagpala at makakaghang na umaga po sa atin.
One UST for you!
Starbucks employs innovative strategies to make learning exciting and interactive. By incorporating hands-on STEAM activities and interactive modules, it fosters a love for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, preparing students for the future. Our commitment to education extends beyond schools. We provide Starbucks to CEST communities, ALCAC barangays, Mora communities, and even to the Philippine Army and BJMP to ensure that people deprived of liberty are not left behind. Through TUST's One UST for You, we continually seek ways to link with government agencies and local government units to reach the last mile and advocate for STEAM education.
Siguro masasabi na rin natin itong mga bagay na to ay malaking pagbabago sa buhay ng mga estudyante dahil noon ay masasabi natin mabagal yung daloy ng kaalaman sa mga mag-aaral dati. Pero sa ngayon, ang masasabi natin dito, napakalaking naitutulong dito sa atin dahil bumilis sa ating kaalaman.
Dahil dito ay maraming mga aralin na yung matutuklasan pa at malalaman. At kahit na wala kang connection, ay maaari ka talang matuto dahil dito sa Starbucks.
Starbucks is more than just a library information application. It is a beacon of hope and a catalyst for change in the community. Together, we are building a brighter future through STEAM education.